What's up YouTube? Today we're unboxing Insta360 Go 3. Let's go. Bam. Look at this little baby. Little magnetic camera. You can stick it absolutely anywhere. Let's see what else comes in the box. Warranty information, Insta360 stickers, quick start guide, and Go 3's waterproofing what to know. So in case you're wondering, this is everything that comes in the packet, except this knife. This knife is not included. These little balls are not included as well. All right. So, in case you're wondering what this is a little, I guess, an additional magnet to change the angle of your mounting pod. And that's everything that comes in it.